Ooh. All right, little one.
You can ride your bike now?
You know she can ride a bike. What do you say that for?
Ow, my butt! You saw me?
Mm-hmm.
I like look out. Look at this. You can go first. I play soccer.
You can't go on the grass.
Ooh. Out of bounds.
Two-wheeler.
Really?
Kick across the driveway. What kind of way y'all playing? Wait a minute. All right now. I'll get you on here crashing.
I'm going to try to do what Papa did.
Pop-Pop did. You better stop.
Papa taught me to do.
How he teach you? He can't get on there.
He said to do it right backwards.
Mm-mm.
I'm riding backwards.
Stop.
Mama!
What?
Mama, that's a fly on my arm.
Well, get it off.
I did. I just said it and it flew.
Ride it, girl, ride it. Ride that little bike. 4 years old riding a two-wheeler. Go ahead, baby girl. Ride the two-wheeler. Go ahead, baby. Little Gracie. You learned fast in one little day. One day you learned how to ride a bike. Now that was quick.
When you was little, could you do it with no change of wheel?
Not 4 years old, I didn't learn. Your mama learned when she was 4.
Well, Mommy did it when she was 4.
Mm-hmm.
And I
Uncle Ty learned when he was 5.
And I learned. Now I'm learning. Now I'm learning. Wait,
Nick Candace, you learned when you was what? You was 5?
But
Hmm? Huh? You say something? What?
I was on grass.
What's that?
Stop.
Hey, don't put it right there. Up a little or something. You don't like it on the driveway? She did? When? When she did it, well, she did it Tuesday? She told him Tuesday?
Yep.
You told him already.
Stop. Gracie, I'm drawing a hopscotch. Well, I can draw. Right there.
Ooh, that's in the street.
It's on the curve. Yes, I'm making up my own kind of hopscotch. Me too. I'm not making it. Oh, I'm not making it.
Make it bigger than that. Made it wider. Stop riding to draw.
Away if you want it.
Say it loud.
Hip away if you want it. You have to say hip away. If you want it, hip away. You have to say suffer now. If you want it, hip away. 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 Patsy,